Hello everyone. Let's make these paper cone Christmas decorations today. Take some A4 size color papers, roll them into cones and glue the back of the cone together. And then cut the excess. Let's now make these goggles for our stylish Santa and the reindeer. To make the frame, just cut 2 circles this way. And then cut thin strips of black paper and stick them to the frame. Finally, we need 2 macaroni-shaped black pieces to stick these circles together. As we cannot imagine a Santa without a beard, let's cut out Santa's beard this way using a white glitter foam sheet. Also cut stars out of red and green glitter foam sheet. Antlers for our reindeer are made this way. How can we forget our gingerbread man? Let's do it quickly. Well, it's now time to put them all together. Be it at home, office, or school, these cute guys look great sitting on a shelf. As they are super easy to make, this could be a wonderful activity for kids this Christmas. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, hit the like button and do comment. Please subscribe if you have not yet. This is your Sue signing off.